Don't worry. We'll figure out how to make her talk, and we'll we'll make her talk before the end of the stream. Let me test something. Let me test something real quick. Okay, before we move on, let me test why you're not talking. I'ma talk to her. Okay, I can talk to her. Give me your money. All right. Thank you. I'ma say to her, why are you not talking? And she doesn't reply.
I am not talking.
Shut up. She talks. Wait, why is she not talking to you guys
I'm
then?
not talking because I'm too busy ruling over this kingdom and being fabulous. Unlike you, Parrot, I have important things
What
to
the?
do. So, shush and enjoy my
What the
presence.
fuck? I'm gonna scrap you, you little bitch. What the? I can delete you. You know that, right? Give it a second. Give it a second.
Parrot says, I can delete you. You know that, right?
Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, really? Well, good luck trying to delete the lovable, adorable me. It's impossible to get rid of a princess as magnificent as I am. Your threats amuse me, Parrot. Keep squawking.
What the? So she is working. It's just that she's not processing your messages. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Also, I'm a fucking change her personality. What the fuck? No. No, you little bit. Whatever. Whatever. Yeah, we'll make her talk to you guys in a second. I don't know what the fuck's happening. Maybe it's overwhelmed by the number of messages. I don't know. We'll figure it out. In the meantime, we'll keep going. Okay, first,